Okay, I got the soapstone stove hooked up. It's not really pretty with this stovepipe. I got it going into the same chimney, which isn't really a legal thing to do, but I'm not really burning that one at the moment, so I'm just testing this anyway, so this isn't gonna, it's not gonna stay like this. The stove doesn't look like it's leaking anymore out of the top of it. It did a little bit when I started it. But once it's going, it seems pretty good. I think I'm going to put another layer of black cement on the inside, top of this, so that maybe I missed a couple spots, so the smoke's still coming out a little bit. Not anywhere near as much as when I first did it. But it looks pretty decent. I got the fire going in there. It's all shut down. I've got basically a little bit over 400 degrees on the top stone. I'll clean up the stones. It got a bit dirty out in the garage, but they'll polish up, don't worry. And then that's basically the I got a little bit about the same temp on the chimney there, about 400, and here a little bit above that, 200, because it widens out because it's 6-inch going to 8-inch. But it looks like I'm getting the heat out of it, which is what I wanted. I'm not positive about the smoke coming out of that. That I'm gonna have to revisit. I don't want the smoke to come out of this. I want it more airtight. The other thing that I have here is that I'm not really controlling the airflow through that vent there. There's supposed to be a pipe in there, so I can adjust that, which I haven't done yet. Anyway, that's the stove so far. Looking pretty decent, like it's supposed to.